All right, on your marks, get set, go!
Nice.
Oh, that was a good one.
Nice try.
Nice.
I heard you coming.
Well, that wind started like turning around the corner and became a headwind, and then he just started sucking up to you.
Well, I heard him. I could hear him coming slowly.
Onto you or like drafting you for a while. Then we came onto the apex of our speed there. I just passed.
Yeah, I know. I was trying to hook in there.
Yeah,
Probably,
I think the big wheels were what really gave him that last
little edge,
little end there.
Yeah.
So I won the redemption thing.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
So you're 4th place.
Yeah.
You're 5th. Not bad.
Not bad.
My first race ever, I got 4th. So.
Oh yeah. I'm not worried about that. Just here to have fun, skate.
Exactly.